Hello and welcome to Crossdale's Tips and Tutorials in Business Central. Today we're going to create a table extension. Let's go to our project, let's right click, create a new file via the AZAL DevTools extension, select table, let's just call this Crossdale's data, and we're just going to store a word, and the data type for that will be text. Click finish. This auto generates all of the table data that we need. One thing here, we just need to specify the actual column, the actual data type again. So text. I don't think that's saved when it came through. So we also have to give it a length. So let's just say the word can be up to 50 characters long. Let's press F5 to deploy. Let's go into Business Central. Let's refresh. Let's look at table information. Let's search for Crossdale. And you can see it's generated the tables over both of my companies. There's no data to view yet, as there's no records. In the next video, I'll be showing how to create a page so we can insert data into that table. Thanks for watching.